Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing on the Pinch Me sample box. pinchme.com is a website you can go out and fill out some questionnaires and stuff, and they'll send you free samples. The shipping has gotten quicker because I remember when I first signed up for it, I think last year, you pick the items and then it'll take like 6 weeks to come, but it has been quicker this year. I think I picked these items roughly like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I went to my P.O. box this week and it was actually in there. And I'll try to leave my link down below if you guys want to sign up. You don't have to pay for shipping or anything like that. They have all types of samples and stuff that they do. I think they release the new samples on Tuesdays, but it's not like every Tuesday. It's probably like every other Tuesday or every 3 weeks or something like that. It just depends on the thing they have going on at the time. But it has like samples of food, makeup, coupons of other stuff, samples of boxes, like little subscription boxes and stuff like that. So I'm gonna open up and show you guys what I got this time. I can't really remember what I picked, so just keep in mind with that. I'm just gonna dump everything out because it's easier that way. Since this one doesn't open from the top, it opens from the side, and I already open it a little bit to just get the box prepared for this video. Okay, so these are the samples I currently have. Let's just go through them. Okay, so this first thing is this Clorox scent thing, disinfectant wipe, and is in the scent Tuscany, lavender, and jasmine, and it's bleach free. It goes like on a Swiffer mop or something. Do Clorox have those little mops? I don't know, but I only seen like Swiffer like that. Maybe Clorox do have them, because maybe that's the reason for this. But yeah, and I think it's only one cloth in here. Oh yeah, it's only one cloth. It says it here. It feels really, really thick. So that's that. Next we have this Barilla Pesto, creamy ricotta, and arugula. 100% Italian basil. Okay, you can't see like how it looks or anything, but this is the little packaging. And I know this Barilla brand before because they have like pasta sauces and stuff, like spaghetti sauce and stuff like that. And this doesn't expire till February 2020, and it is a 1.5 ounce. So it's good enough for you to get a sample out of it. The whole bag is full. So it's full from bottom to top. So that's a good little sample. Next we have this Heinz mayo chup. So I guess this mayo and ketchup combined. This is really, really weird. It's like one little package or whatever. Heinz have the best condiments to me. I'm not going to argue with you. I'm not going to fight with you. But they do. I don't care what anybody says. Especially they have the best ketchup and mayo. I don't care what anybody says. So that'd be really cute to see how this tastes. I don't know what can I use it on. Maybe a sandwich or something. And lastly, we have this Moroccan oil. I saw this brand before. I think it was like in a pink bottle or something. So maybe it's for different things. And it's just a little sample pack like this. And the entire bag is full. So that's enough to get you like one use out of it. I don't know about me because my head is really big. So we'll see. Let me read and see what it's actually for. Hold on. Okay, so it's just like a styling cream, but the brand is called Moroccan oil. Oh yeah, it clearly says styling cream right here. What am I going through? But that's cute. Let me see how many ounces it is. 0.35 fluid ounce. So these are little 4 things that they gave me for sampling. And he also gave me a coupon for the Barilla. Perfect pasta for lunchtime, dinner minutes, practice, snack on the go. So they gave me a coupon for the Barilla pasta pouch, like a $1 off for that. And I have a coupon for the Heinz mayo chip. Then it has different ones on here. So they have the mayo chip, I guess mayo and ketchup. The Crunch, which is ranch and I don't know, mayo must. So I guess mayo and mustard. And this other one say mayo Q. So I guess that's mayo and barbecue. Let me see what this Crunch means. Let me try to. I know it's ranch and probably what, I don't know. I can't think of anything off the top of my head. Crunch. Mayo. I don't know. Well, I'm saying mayo. Ranch and what though? I don't know. But it's $1 off. Then these are called saucy sauce. And then they also gave me $1 off the pesto. You know, my coupons until like March, so that's good. So $1 off the pesto pop. I don't think I ever had, like, when I cook my pasta, I don't think I ever cooked pesto with it. So we'll see. When did this coupon expire? Yeah, this is March. Let me see about this. So all the coupons are in March. So again, let's review the little samples really quickly. So this was the Moroccan oil styling cream, a pesto sauce, a mayo chip, and a Clorox disinfectant wet mop thing. So thank you. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to try out pinchme.com, you can use my link below to sign up. I think the next samples are in December when I went to their website last time. So, and remember, they release the samples on Tuesdays at noontime. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I don't know if I'm gonna do a update to tell you guys how it tastes. I might. It depends. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can leave it down below. I have 2 ebooks on Amazon, Football Wags 1 and 2. Can Unlimited get the read both parts for free? If not, they're 99 cents. All my social media is down below. Thank you guys for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video. Bye.